Attention! Ready? Attention!
Happy Independence Day and good morning everyone.
Good
Dear
morning.
estimated principal, administrator, benevolent teachers and dear school fellows. Today we all have gathered here to mark the other landmark of success by celebrating the 73rd Independence Day of our beloved country India. So I from the core of my heart welcome you all to today's 15 August celebrating on behalf of the entire school family. A really warm welcome to our estimated principal sir and administrator sir and beloved teachers. As we all know that Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August every day in India. We all know that this day is a proud moment for every citizen. So Independence Day celebration gives us a feeling of immense joy which is indescribable in word. When we see our tricolor nation flag soaring in the wind high up. Now, let's move towards the flag hosting ceremony. Irrespective of our culture, civilization, caste, creed, and religion, the most important binding factor is our national flag. Now, may I request our administrator, sir, to chase the nation flag. Sir, please come forward and take this wonderful leave.
I unfurl this flag in the name of our country, India. Last down, national anthem.
जनगण अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड वंशल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्सल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाए नम जय गाता जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, sir, for taking your valuable time. At this very moment, I now request our respected principal to address the gathering and to give his valuable inputs to all of us.
Good morning. And wish you all of you a happy Independence Day. It's the 73rd. 74. 72. Okay. Then what I feel that every year that all that who did, how it is, I'm not going to say that. But the freedom, I just focus on about freedom. You know that our country, it is 73rd or 74, but it is a proud moment as it is written there, and we celebrate this very special day, that to remembering our freedom from the British rule. But I don't remind that, but still our country is under, means though we say that we are free, but we are not free in various areas of our life. So India is under poverty, bondage of poverty. India is not secure, so women are not secure, and they are also under some suppression. And these things, if when it is eradicated, and even in our country also, it is the whom we choose, whom we gave to rule our country, even we ourselves are under suppression and binded by certain politicians and all. So when we think ourselves free, our all rights should be accessed very properly. All right. So that is what there should be equal rights for everyone without uh, in the basis of not in the basis of any caste and community, not in the basis of any religion, not in the basis of any gender basis. So there should be freedom and equality in our country to everyone. Other thing is, I just want to tell that freedom is, like last time also I told, freedom should not be granted and freedom should not be misused. Today we say that we are free, but we misuse our freedom for wrong purpose. It is a moral concept that, okay, I have given a certain opportunity to do anything. Okay, I have given freedom to walk on the road. So it doesn't mean that I have given freedom to drive a car. So what I will do? Should I use that to accident someone? No. Certainly that I have given freedom to speak to the people, but my freedom should not be used to scold to the people. So it is our freedom should be used for the construction of country and construction of next generation, and then only that our freedom will be realized very properly, and it would be utilized by everyone and it will be enjoyed by everyone. So freedom should not be taken as a granted to harm others also. Here I conclude this message. Use your freedom for others' purpose. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your precious thought to all of us. Your valuable words will remain in our heart forever. Now let us raise our head and salute our national flag.
Salute! Hands down. Stand at this. This was.